Okay guys, let's have a little look at the user guide then. The intro for Sigma Notation for this live worksheet app, which is what we have here. It's on Sigma Notation APs and GPs, arithmetic progressions and geometric progressions. I'll be putting it up in Google Play shortly in the marketplace. Just do a search for probably Sigma Notation Aspect is what I'll probably call it for the most part, and I'll put append APs and GPs on it. You can do a search under My A-Level Maths Tutor in YouTube, and some of the apps are also written with this keyword search in Google Play as well. So this is the user interface then. I'll just quickly run you through it. Basically, it's a live worksheet app, so the idea is here is that you have a go first, have a go at the questions that are written in this worksheet, and then you can click on the video solutions. There's 30, 60, there's over 100 video solutions to the exercise questions. The first row is on Sigma Notation. 1 to 15 is on writing a series out in Sigma Notation, and 16 to 30 then does the reverse, which is a slightly easier process. So that's the first one to get you up and running in the subject, make you feel comfortable with it. And then we move on to APs, which are a particular type of series, arithmetic progressions. There's 30 questions on that. Each time, in each of these sections that I'm mentioning, there's a little intro at the beginning, which has a short and long. Generally, the short just lets you crack on and get on with the questions, and the long does any little bits of bookwork that might be associated with the subject and looks at it slightly more in depth. Doesn't necessarily mean that it's a longer video, but it just looks at it more slightly more rigorously. And the same goes for the second section. The formulas for the sum of an AP is put in the long click method of the intro, and the short click deals with just getting up and running with APs. But you might want to look at the formula for the sum, because that's in the long as well on the APs. The GPs follow the same format. There's 40 videos here on geometric progressions. There's a short and long clip for the bookwork parts of, and that's that sheet there. So there's over 100, as I say, video exercise questions and video solutions, along with the intros in addition to that. Along the bottom there's an array of useful tools. Hopefully you're here. This is the intro. And then you've got email queue. If you've got a question on this particular topic that you'd like to send in, just press this button, fires up an email intent, capture a picture of the handwritten solution question that you've got, and then I'll be able to get your question and hopefully write up a little video solution if I get time, and then I can send you a YouTube video link as well. There's resets. Once you've had a go, it keeps track on your progress, of course. These just change in their settings, their color settings. They change color to show that you've had a little look at the videos. So it lets you keep a track of how far you've got, and you can reset it, of course, if you want a fresh go of everything. There's other little useful tools around the internet. So from here to the time I put it up on Google Play, I look for some useful tools, because there's quite a few little useful calculators out there to work out the sums and properties of APs and GPs and Sigma Notation. So I'll put a few of those things in. And any extras as well, I'll put in here as well. Might be little bits and bobs that I find quite handy. So I'll be sure to have a look at the tools, the resets, and all the other bits and bobs that's mentioned along the bottom row. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy the sheet. I hope you benefit from it and enjoy it. And of course, any feedback, you can give us a buzz. Let us know how you're getting on with this stuff. And it'd be nice to hear from you. So if I get time, I'll send you a reply. So all the best then, and I hope you enjoy it. Cheers.